welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain Airy Cloth Reviews and airycloth.com website. Friends, this is not a website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? So without wasting time, let's get started. This website is offering women's fashion apparel and accessories like blouses, dresses, shoes, swimwear, bottoms, coats, tops, t-shirts, etc. So let's talk about the legitimacy of this website. So we know that there are so many factors that can define the legitimacy of a website, like the HTTPS connection, website reviews, customer reviews, domain age, and social media presence, etc. So this is the homepage of this website, and you can see the company is offering huge discounts like 90% and 70% discounts. So guys, the collection is so huge here, so I'm not able to find the other pages. So I'm discussing those points here. The physical address of the site is available on the contact us information page. The phone number is also available, but yes, the email address is not available on this page, which is a bad sign. And apart from that, the return policies of the website indicate that 14 days of return period are available to exchange or for refund after the day of purchase. However, the site is using a valid HTTPS protocol and SSL integration certificate. And yes, the website has active social media icons presence on Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The shipping duration ranges from 6 to 13 business days. And when it comes to the online payment methods, so the company is accepting ample number of secure and convenient payment methods like credit card, PayPal, wire transfer, American Express, Mastro, Discover, Visa, etc. And one of the biggest things about this website is that worldwide delivery is available at the doorstep and covers all the nations. So yeah, the site seems to be legit, but yes, before making any online purchase, it is important to check the all legitimate factors about any particular website. So when it comes to the customer reviews, according to our research or study, we found more negative reviews about this website. Some customers said that the website is delivering poor quality of products. So, and when it comes to the domain creation date, the site is more than 3 years old and it has a variety of options available, but it is not easy to clarify whether the site is legit. So it would not be possible to declare anything, but the buyer needs to be cautious before flitter away money on this website. So guys, I think I have covered all the points. And if there is any query related to this site, do contact us via the comment section below, and please share your comments and experiences in the comment box section because it will give benefit to other customers as well. So after exploring the site through Airy Cloth reviews, we get to know that the site is working in the same field for a long time, but it is recommended to explore the website on before squandering money or placing an order. So yes, I hope this review is helpful for you. So please like the video, subscribe the channel, and get more scam or legit alerts. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.